Hello and welcome back to the second part of this video. In the last video, we took a look at the major UI frameworks that you should be aware of, the applications and predefined content which was built on top of it, and finally the UI tools that you can use to adapt user interfaces. Let's now take a look at a small but interesting aspect, namely the underlying platform. What I'm referring to here is the SAP NetWeaver application server, which is the basis for components like SAP R3 Enterprise or SAP ERP Central Component, or SAP ECC in short. These components deliver SAP applications and content, while the underlying SAP NetWeaver application server provides the required technologies. Based on the given release of the application server, we can identify whether technical options are already available in this stack or at least are easily deployable. For more information, look in the SAP UX Explorer for Application Server. Reviewing the capabilities of the technical stack, it becomes obvious that I have added SAP R3 just for the sake of completeness. Everything below SAP ECC 600 is not capable of providing more than classic DynPro ABAP-based transactions. The more exciting part is the SAP ECC 6.0. In my talks with customers, I often notice that they are already on quite high releases, both in terms of the application server and the enhancement package level. This means that many customers have a very modern IT environment, but their users still don't benefit from it. How can this be? I think one major reason is that interesting options are not well known. As a result, transition paths also remain unknown. We can already see that there's a lot of value in there, however. Remember the three basic options we talked about in a previous video. You can adopt things from SAP, you can adapt things from SAP or things you have developed earlier yourself, and of course you can develop something new based on a modern environment. Depending on your current situation, this means you could adopt new WebDynPro ABAP-based applications built since 2005. There are many of these around. Remember that this is also including predefined power lists, landing pages, technical roles, and side panels. You could adopt new applications based on SAP UI5, like those provided by SAP Fiori. You have also the option of adapting WebDynPro ABAP-based applications with Floor Plan Manager. You can adapt SAP UI5-based applications with SAP River RDE. And even if you don't want to move to WebDynPro or SAP UI5-based options, you could use SAP Screen Personas to adapt your existing DynPro ABAP-based applications. In cases where you might need functionality that is not delivered yet by SAP, you always have the option of creating your own developments. Of course, you need to weigh up the costs and the benefits here. If you do want to go down this path, however, you have additional options depending on your needs and existing skills. You can leverage the capabilities of Floor Plan Manager or SAP River RDE performing composition-based development. Or you can directly code using the WebDynPro ABAP or SAP UI framework. Important: please be aware that my intention with this video is to provide you with insight into the options and transition paths available to you. I am obviously not aware of your current situation and environment. Neither does this video cover all detailed requirements that might occur. As such, please be sure to use additional information provided by SAP, such as the Product Availability Map, PAM, the SAP notes related to your path, or start with SAP UX Explorer. In the third part of the video, we are going to take a look at the UI clients and how they can help you with your transition. So stay tuned for the next video.